Climate change is one of the biggest challenges of our time. We are witnessing devastating consequences to our planet caused by global warming and human activity. Time is limited, and we need to act now before the damage is irreversible. The European Union is fighting climate change through a set of climate and energy targets for 2030 and key laws and measures to achieve these targets. To that end, EU regulations legally require environmental bonds across different industries, and they are mandatory for activities that might cause potential damage to the environment. They secure projects in the energy, transportation, waste management, building construction, water and land use sectors. For example, if a site has an environmental accident, the operator is liable for the cleanup, even if insolvent. Companies are also undertaking their own eco-friendly initiatives to fight global warming. Green companies are just as vulnerable to financial risks, such as financial loss and insolvency, as others though. Those risks can be compounded by project complexity, supplier performance, and the strength of investment models. The fast-evolving regulatory environment can also present a risk that can rapidly change the conditions of the market. Environmental bonds provide protection that can decrease the financial risks associated with establishing projects. Environmental bonds let you breathe, knowing your costs, reputation, and regulatory obligations are covered. Are you working on an environmental project and looking for a unique bonding provider to secure your performance and reputation and boost your business growth? Atradius Bonding is the reliable and trustworthy partner of choice that will give you peace of mind. Atradius has experience and strong partnerships with companies investing in green projects, as well as investors and their financial institutions and authorities. With our international network and local expertise, we have demonstrated the ability to meet customers' large and complex needs quickly and efficiently. As a trusted business partner and guarantor, we have earned the trust of major organizations and strong credit rating, propelling us to become a leading bond supplier in Europe. By partnering with Atradius, you can build reliability and generate trust amongst your customers and partners, while making a significant impact in the fight against climate change. Contact our local team in your country to get information about how we can help you grow your business safely.